have been followed by an actual once-for warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings and selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Cleveland listening area: Banks, Durham, Cherokee, Clark, Dawson, Forsyth, Franklin, Gwinnett, Habersham, Hall, Hart, Jackson, Lubbock, Madison, Oconee, Pickens, Stevens, Walton, and White. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 11 a.m. Gainesville, it was partly sunny, 81 degrees.
It's the 11th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals. From the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security Agency, this is the required monthly test of the emergency alert system. From the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security Agency, this is the required monthly test of the emergency alert system.
Give your family a new roof will give your family protection. This is Fresh Air. I'm Dave Davies, in today for Terry Gross. Injured war veterans are among society's most venerated figures, saluted and cheered at parades for all their days. But our guest will introduce more about the story of a comrade of seriously injured soldiers and sailors who recruited differently. The First World War saw these kinds of mechanized warfare, in which heavy artillery, flamethrowers, chemical weapons,
From the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security Agency, this is the required monthly test of the emergency alert system.
Children fled at the sight of their fathers. Even some medical personnel would turn away in horror.
From the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security Agency, this is the required monthly test of the emergency alert system.